Welcome back, friends. In today's video I will show you how you can install and run C or C++ programs in your Visual Studio Code. So without any delay, let's get started. So to download VS Studio latest version, open any of your browsers and search for VS Code. Now click on the first link, which will redirect you to the official site of Visual Studio Code. It's a completely free software from Microsoft and a very lightweight program. From the drop down menu you can see it's available for three most popular platforms. I have Windows machine, so I choose that one. Now click on the save file option. So download has started. I'm fast forwarding this process to save the time. You can see here the download has completed. Now go to the downloaded folder and double click on that executable file, and it will start the process of installation. Press on run button, click next. You can choose the installation directory also, but I'll let the default one. Now you can choose create desktop icon, add open with code, etc. according to your choice. Now click on next. Wait for some time. You can see here the process has finished. We have successfully installed the VS Studio Code latest version in our machine. Now let me show you a demo program, how you can run a program in VS Code. So open VS Code software. Now to run the program, we have to add or install some of our extensions. As it's a completely customizable software, we can easily add some features by installing extensions into it. So we have to install two add-ons. Let me show you. First of all, type your program. Now click on the squares icon to view the available extensions. Now search for C or C++. You can see here there are two extensions available. The first one is for debugging and IntelliSense, means the code snippet or indentation, and this third one is the compile and run button. So we have to download these two options. After installation of this process, these extensions will able to run our program. We have successfully installed these two extensions. Now the time is to run our C program. To run this, go to view button and search for compile, or you can simply press F6 from your keyboard to run that program. You can see here it's successfully compiled. And the output is here. So before downloading the VS Code, you have to install a MinGW compiler, whose video is already in this channel. So after installation of MinGW, we have to set the path, then only we can able to run a C program in VS Code. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you face any problem regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.